Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Danny from Dahua Overseas Business Center. With an increasing awareness of the importance of a reliable security system in one's home, more and more people are equipping their houses with commercial CCTV systems. In this video, we're going to unbox an all-in-one product that offers both indoor monitor and door station devices with all essential accessories included. Introducing the Dahua Analog Villa Kit. Here's the product box of the Dahua Analog Villa Kit. This model is KTA03M. The dimensions of the product box are 299 millimeters by 164 millimeters by 111 millimeters and weighs 0.9 kilograms. On one side, you'll see the product features, while the basic product info is written on the other side. This kit features a plug-and-play function that offers easy connection with other devices and preview without delay. Well, that's it for the product box. Let's proceed to the contents inside. So this is what it looks like on the inside. Let's start with the door station. Its dimensions are 131.45 millimeters in length, 46 millimeters in width, and 33.8 millimeters in height, with a net weight of 0.18 kilograms. On the back, you'll see 10 wires and a label with their corresponding functions such as video, audio, power, and G&D. Next to it is the indoor monitor. It's 182.7 millimeters in length, 133.9 millimeters in width, and 17.7 millimeters in height, with a net weight of 0.25 kilograms. Underneath is the box of accessories, which includes user manual and installation guides, the power adapter, and plug, the mounting bracket, a pack of extra cables and screws with the L-shaped hexagonal screwdriver, and the rainproof bracket. Let's talk about the key features and highlights of the main devices in this kit. We'll start with the door station. This model is DHI-VTO1000JM. It is equipped with a metal casing. It has a 1.3 megapixel camera, built-in mic, a mechanical button, built-in speaker, and an auto infrared illuminator. It supports digital wide dynamic range and video intercom functions, including unlocking, voice call, video call, and volume adjustment. It also obtained an IP66 waterproof protection rating and IK07 impact resistance rating, making it ideal for various outdoor applications. Now let's take a look at the indoor monitor. This model is DHI-VTH1020J-T. Like the door station, this device also offers video intercom. It has a 7-inch TFT screen, built-in mic, power indicator light, and a touch keypad with 5 icons for unlocking, live video and snapshot, answering calls, menu, hang-up calls, and Snapshot. Speaking of the Snapshot feature, this function allows users to take a snapshot of the monitored scene, which can help capture important images that may be useful in case of an investigation. If you want to see the Snapshot function in action or other operating features of the indoor monitor, check out this video. There are two ways snapshots are taken. Active snapshots allow you to take a snapshot via the indoor monitor, as you can see here. To view the snapshot, activate the main menu. Scroll down to Snapshots and select the appropriate image file. Passive snapshots will take a snapshot if the call remains unanswered. Again, to view a snapshot, simply activate the main menu, scroll down to Snapshots, and select the appropriate image file. As simple as that. And there you have it. The Dahua Analog Villa Kit offers a convenient solution for people who want to equip their homes with a reliable and easy to install monitoring system. It includes the indoor monitor, door station, and related accessories, providing a complete set of essential monitoring devices all in one box. And with its newly added snapshot function, users can easily capture crucial images with just a click of a button. Very convenient indeed. Once again, this has been your friendly Dahua assistant, Danny. If you're new here to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification icon below to get notified every time we post a new update. Also, you can follow our official social media accounts right here. Stay tuned for more informative videos right here at Dahua Technology, enabling a safer society and smarter living.